Welcome to Parulka Zaika. Today I am going to make idli batter for soft and spongy idli. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are wash, soak and keep 1 bowl of fleet black gram with 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds for 6 to 7 hours. Wash, soak and keep 2 bowls of medium grain rice with 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds for 6 to 7 hours. Wash, soak and keep 1 bowl of boiled rice with 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds for 6 to 7 hours. Wash, soak and keep flattened rice for 5 minutes. Salt to taste and water. First, in a mixer jar, put medium grain rice, add little water and grind it into a smooth paste. Now remove it in a bowl. Now in the same jar, put split black gram, water and make a smooth paste. Now remove this also in the same bowl. Next, put boiled rice, flattened rice, water and grind it. Remove this also in the same bowl. Now mix all three well and cover it and keep the mixture for 10 to 12 hours for fermentation. Once batter ferments well, put salt and mix it. Please make sure the consistency of the batter should be thick and flowing. Idli batter is ready to make soft and spongy idlis. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.